Hey everybody, I'm Terrence, your favorite computer concierge. Wanted to talk to you guys about Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all this stuff that's happening with technology. Now, you may be asking yourself, do I need to upgrade? Do I need to? My computer's running slow. This is what's going on. You know, everybody's computer, everybody uses technology differently. Some people use Windows 10, some people use Windows 11, Mac OS, Google Chrome. There are so many different flavors out there to choose from when selecting the operating system that best suits your needs. Now, we want to talk about repair. On the repair side, is it worth fixing? Now, if you have a computer that's maybe a couple years old, 3, 4 years old, even up to 5, I've seen some computers 7 years old still run better than computers that just came out last week or last month. So when you're thinking about doing an upgrade to your computer or whether you should get another computer, stop by your local repair shop. Ask them questions. Ask them, hey, is my processor capable of keeping up with Windows 10? Do I need to think about Windows 11? Do I, get into that conversation and have that conversation, because we know during, the pandemic, people got used to using their phones, and sometimes they found out they couldn't even use their phones for banking, and they needed a computer. And I know that hands-on experience because I've seen a lot of families and children that weren't able to get the schooling that they so need because they lack a computer. So with the computer that you currently have, you may not need to spend $500, $600, $700, $800 on a new computer. Maybe some simple upgrades can get your computer up and running faster than what's coming out now. I was at a big box store and I saw a computer with 4 gigs of RAM. Now, if you don't know about Windows 10 or Windows 11, 4 gigs of RAM is the minimum it needs just to be able to operate. So a lot of these big box stores are selling these computers for low prices so that they can, you can, get really frustrated and either, throw it away, buy your new one, or maybe break it. But they're making them with the bare minimum specs, so it's not giving you a great experience when you're on the web. It's almost like you're back to dial-up. Want more information from us personally? Give us a call at 770-693-0769. I personally may speak with you, if not some of our other computer concierges here, but you can request to speak with me, and we could talk about what your needs are and what you got and how and if we can make it better. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.